Hello dear Codis Car viewers. Please don't forget to like the video, turn on the bell and comment on the channel. Electric vehicle maker Rivian Automotive Inc. will recall about 13,000 vehicles it delivered to customers after discovering a minor structural defect. Irvine, California-based Rivian will recall the vehicles because a fastener may not have been sufficiently torqued, CEO RJ Scaringe said in a letter to customers that was seen by Bloomberg News. The electric truck and SUV maker said it discovered a fastener connecting the upper control arm and steering knuckle may have been improperly installed. In rare cases, the problem could lead to a loss of steering control, the company said. The company is recalling about 13,000 vehicles, nearly all of vehicles delivered to customers, even though the issue was discovered only in 7, out of an abundance of caution. The company said it isn't aware of any injuries resulting from the issue. The cost of the recall isn't material, according to a person familiar with matter. The recall is a setback to Rivian, which has only recently overcome production problems and parts shortages to deliver its EVs to customers in meaningful volumes. The company also had to deal with the fallout of an embarrassing U-turn in March to raise prices on pre-orders. Rivian builds the battery electric R1T pickup and R1S SUV. It also has a deal with Amazon.com Incorporated, one of its biggest shareholders, to build 100,000 EV delivery vans by the end of this decade. The safety of our customers will always be our top priority, and we are committed to fixing this issue on any affected vehicles as quickly as possible, a Rivian spokesperson said in a statement. We will make any necessary adjustments free of charge at one of our service centers. Most customers will be able to get their vehicles fixed within minutes, Scaringe said in the letter, by tightening the fastener to a higher torque tolerance. A small percentage of vehicles may need to have parts replaced. Rivian was seen as the hottest new EV startup to challenge incumbent Tesla Incorporated, after a monster initial public offering in November and big-name Wall Street backers and strategic investors like Ford Motor Company. However, production challenges have sent the shares down 67% this year, though its reaffirmation of a goal of building 25,000 EVs this year helps trim losses. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.